And there you have it. Do you remember us from the previous raffle draw held on December 18, 2026? Well, as promised, we're back with another exciting raffle draw. We warmly welcome you all to our third raffle draw, proudly brought to you by Alano
Anon
and
Sons
Sons
Credit
Credit Corporation,
Corporation,
continuing our mission to support families
Families and
and dreams.
Dreams. Thank you so much for taking the time to join again us today. We are very excited because this is already our third raffle
Raffle draw.
draw, which means we are now getting closer and closer to our much awaited grand draw.
Yes. But before we begin, please don't forget to
Like,
share, and comment
comment
on this
this
live.
live.
So let us know where you are watching from and comment ready now if you are excited or share this live.
No? Don't forget also to follow us on our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
Instagram. Yes. So special shout out to our ZPMO areas. Main 1, main 2, ready na ba? Naka-comment na ba?
Nanamo mo yung mga pambatong mga client ninyo sa inyong branch kung kinsay mo daog? Who do you think? Ang mga swerte on kaayo sa atong mga raffle.
Okay, don't forget to share our live para makakita mo itong ubang mga
No?
client.
And comment the word ready na.
Okay,
No?
ready na?
Ato na siyang i-check later on sa atong comment section. No? Ato silang i-shout out. Shout out. Okay.
A short recap on the previous raffle draws we had. We were able to give winners 30 sacks of rice and 3 Samsung A26 phones and 3 winners of Brother Printer.
Before we proceed, no, allow us to briefly explain the raffle mechanics of this third raffle draw. To join, you only need to complete two easy steps.
So first step, avail a loan account with a gross amount of 100,000 at your nearest Olano and Sons branch to earn one raffle entry.
Step two is to refer a friend and receive one additional raffle entry, giving you more chances to win exciting prizes.
So to keep everything fair, transparent, and trustworthy, here are the steps we followed to our validation process.
First, we made sure that all raffle entries were complete, valid, and properly registered.
Second, we double checked all entries to ensure there were no duplicates or unverified submissions.
And lastly, the official list of winners will be posted after the final checking. And this promo is authorized under DTI Fair Trade Permit number DTI-R9-0023 series of 2025.
So if you're not a client yet, don't worry. You can still join and win big prizes. Just visit any Alano & Sons branch near you before the grand draw on April 18, 2026. So mark your calendars on April 18, 2026. And you might just win an unforgettable trip to Palawan.
Palawan, or how about an adventure in Malaysia?
Or even in
Singapore! Wow!
Alano
Alano and Sons Credit Corporation. Okay, this promo is open to participants from the following areas. From CPMO, we have here in Dipolog,
We have main 1 and main 2,
we have Pagadian 1 and Pagadian 2,
Buog,
Sindangan,
Calamba,
Liloy.
and also we will also have the MLBA area from Iligan,
We also have from San Francisco,
Valencia,
Hinguog,
Butuan,
and Lala.
and also we are also live in Cebu Leyte area from Ormoc,
Bugo,
Camotes,
Lapu-Lapu,
Toledo,
Mandaue,
Bantayan,
and our newly opened branch, no? Ang Tacloban.
Okay, special shout out.
Shout out sa inyong mga mom and sir na sa inyong mga panimalay, no? Using your cell phones, laptops, and computers. So, basid ka muna din ang lucky winner for today's grand raffle draw.
To ensure the transparency and validity of today's raffle draw, we sincerely acknowledge the presence of our witnesses from the DTI Dipolog office. Sir Edgar Dayot Jr., sir, and Ma'am Amy Chris S. Digamon. Ma'am, gandang hapon.
Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, for being with us again today.
And today, we're excited to reveal the prizes for our third raffle draw. One lucky winner from the ZPMO area
And one lucky winner from MLBA area,
and Cebu Leyte area will each take home a brand new refrigerator. But that's not all. We also have 15 winners of 25 kilos of rice, with 5 winners coming from each area.
At this point, we now proceed to the raffle draw proper.
But to start with, we will proceed to the ZPMO area with 1,618 entries coming from our ZPMO areas.
Okay, now let's begin. Start with the CPMO area composed of Main 1 and Main 2 branch, Pagadian 1, Pagadian 2, Buug, Sindangan, Calamba, and Liloy. And we have 1,618 official entries. And now, let's shuffle na, no? Para to na masugdan. No, ready na ba sa comment section? Ready na ba? Ready na ba ang tanan?
Comment na ba ang tanang branches?
Okay, and for the first winner, we have
First winner of 25 kilos of rice. We have from Pagadian 1, Habate Dazel Iris. Congratulations.
Okay, ready na gyud day si Ma'am Basil na mo claim sa iyahang 25 kilos of rice. Okay, and for the second winner,
Coming
no?
again from the ZPMO areas.
No?
Okay, congratulations too.
From what branch? We have Pagadian 2, Ma'am Lorena May Subico. Congrats,
Congratulations,
ma'am.
Lorena.
Ready to claim na gyud ang 25 kilos of rice sa ato ang mga winners.
So to claim no, ato ra ta sa mga branches nga ato ang near you.
Okay, for the third winner,
Okay, third winner of 25 kilos rice. Congratulations. Once again from Pagadian 1, Jennifer Saliga. Congratulations.
congratulations, ma'am, for winning 25 kilos of rice. And the fourth
Yes,
winner
fourth.
for our 25 kilos of rice, we have in what branch? Pagadian 2.
Once again, Ma'am Cherry May Seryon.
Again, ready to claim na naman ang 25 kilos of rice. And the last winner, no, sa atong 25 kilos of rice.
For our grand prize of refrigerator.
Last winner we have from Main 1, Ma'am Claren
Adam. Congratulations, Ma'am Claren. Okay, now we will proceed to the grand prize.
Grand prize, a brand new refrigerator.
Yes, asa durugikan nga branch.
No? Ang comment section atong i-check kung asa ka nga branch, no? Main 1 ba? Main 2? Pagadian 1, Pagadian 2, Calamba, Liloy, or Buog, or Whitby, Sindangan. Okay. Atong i-check. Uy, daghan na nag-comment og ready na.
Ready na gid sila.
Shout out sa atong mga branches no na nag-comment also sa atong mga employee. Thank you for sharing our live today. Okay. Atong i-shuffle balik, no? Atong i-shuffle. And for the winner of our brand new refrigerator.
Yes, congratulations to
What branch? Calista, Sir Romel and Cabo. Congratulations, sir! Oh, kung naatay pabugas, naabot tayo refrigerator. Okay. Next, we have the Cebu Leyte area composed of
Bugo,
Camotes,
Lapu-Lapu,
Toledo,
Mandawi,
Bantayan,
and our newly opened ang Tacloban branch. Hi sa atong mga Cebu Leyte area.
Okay. Sa atong Cebu Leyte area, we have official
entries
Mhm.
of pila na certain
2,000 plus, no? Nga entries, medyo dagan-daghan. Ang atuang,
2,534 raffle
okay,
entries.
2,534 entries for the Cebu Leyte area. No? Ato nang gi-shuffle and sugdan na dayon na to. Ang
Sa
first
200
winner.
Sa 2,000 kapin, 5 ra ang makadaog.
Okay. Ang first winner na to sa 25 kilos of rice, we have from Bantayan, Ma'am Hubina Roma. Congratulations! No, secure na nga atong
Right.
5 na nga bugas, no? 25 kilos, secure na yun.
Our second winner, coming again from Cebu Leyte area, we will have from Bugo, Retuarte Irene.
Congratulations, ma'am, for winning a 25 kilos of rice. And the third winner, no? Kinsa ka ang swerte nga sulbad ang pambugas. Okay, for the third winner from Toledo, we have Haniza Artajo. Congratulations, ma'am, for winning 25 kilos of rice. Okay.
For our
napay-
fourth winner,
napay
napay
duha.
duha, last two,
Oo.
from Cebu Leyte area before we
Daghan na ba nag-comment? Ato i-check later on. From
Okay.
Bantayan, we have Jesusa Batain. Congratulations, ma'am. Ato i-check kung na ba siya sa comment section, no? I hope na si ma'am sa atong comment section, no? Ready to claim na gid ang yang dapat i-comment. Okay, and the last winner of 25 kilos of prize, we have what branch ka hani?
From Bugo again, William Moore, Kate Joanne.
Congratulations! And the last, no? Who do you think is the what branch ka ang lucky winner?
Of Samsung refrigerator.
Samsung ba siya?
Samsung.
Brand new refrigerator. No? Who do you think? Kaha ka nga branch, it can be or mo, no? Bugo, Camotes, Lapu-Lapu, Toledo, Bantayan, and Tacloban.
So, congratulations.
And there is it. It is, we have
From Toledo, we have Caballero Marian. Congratulations.
Congratulations, ma'am, no? Ready to claim na ang i-comment mo, Marian, kung naa ka sa atong live karon.
Ay,
Congrats. Okay, and last area natong atong i-run no?
Sa,
MLBA area.
it is composed of our Iligan branch, San Francisco branch, Valencia, Hingoog, Butuan, and our Lala branch. So we
Okay.
will be picking 5 lucky winners of 25 kilos of rice and another 1 winner of our brand new Samsung refrigerator.
Kinsa kaha, no? Nga mga client nato ang masulbad ang pambugas for, ano? Okay. For the MLBA area, no? We have official 3,171 entries. No? Composed of Iligan, San Francisco, Valencia, Hingoog, Butuan, and Lala.
branch.
Okay, sino ka ang maswerteng? No? Lamesa ang malalagyan ng 25 kilos of rice. No? First winner agad. Sino kaya? First winner we have
From Hingoog, we have to Revillas Zaira Christie.
Congratulations, ma'am, no? And don't forget to comment, ready to claim, no? I hope nakakasatong comment section. And second winner for our 25 kilos of rice, we have from Hingoog once again, Sir Rodan Daitia. Congratulations, sir. Okay, napatay 3. Winners of prize. No? Sa mga branch, what do you think? Pareha ba tayo ng iniisip? I think the same.
So,
Okay.
congratulations from Lala branch at Tamoza Jonathan.
Congratulations. No? Naran po tayo winner coming from Lala. Okay, next. Last 2
Yes, last two
winners of 25 kilos of rice.
Congratulations to from Hingoog again, Tabamo Oscar.
Congratulations, sir. Naswertiun kaya itong taga-Hingoog karon.
Ubay-ubay ang taga Hingoog.
Ubay-ubay gid ang atong mga nakadaog, no? And for the last winner of 25 kilos of rice, Do we have the same branch? No, we have from Butuan. Charlo Ayuban.
Congratulations, Sir
Congratulations.
Charles.
Okay, and for the last winner,
Of our brand new
refrigerator. Kinsa ka ang matubig, mga tubig nga mabugnaw na ani pag humanani nga entry no kay makadaog sa bag-o nga to na bag-o nato nga refrigerator.
Okay, you may claim your prizes on the branches near you.
From what branch kahan sila? Ang mudaog og brand new refrigerator from Hinguog.
Once again, Condesa Jonaline.
Congratulations, ma'am, no?
Congratulations to our winners.
Ang i-comment ni Ma'am Jonaline ani is ready na mapabugnaw og mga pagkaon og tubig sa ref. Na it can be pwede niya sa iyang business buhon kung
Yes.
magtukod o if ever na siya business or sa ilang balay. Okay. And for the winners, no, later on, atong ibasahon ng list of winners, to sang i-consolidate. Okay, for transparency purposes, I think ready now. We will now read the complete list of raffle winners.
So from ZPMO areas, we have Havate Dazel Iris.
From Pagadian 2, we have Lorena May Suico.
Another from Pagadian 1, Saliga Jennifer.
From Pagadian 2, we have Cherry May Serion.
And from Main 1, Ma'am Adang Clarin.
And the winner for the brand new refrigerator from Calamba branch, we have Sir Romel and Cabo.
Congratulations.
Congrats for the winners
So
from
from-
CPMO area.
So our winner for our Cebu Leyte area, we have from Butuan,
Batayan.
from Bantayan branch rather, we have Roma Juvina.
Okay, second winner from Bugo branch, we have Ma'am Irene Tuerto.
From Toledo, we have Artajo Aniza.
From fourth winner, we have from Bantayan, Ma'am Jesusa Batain.
Yes, and Bugo, we have Villamor Kate Joanne.
And the lucky winner of the brand new refrigerator, Ma'am Marian Caballero from Toledo branch. Congrats. Congrats for the winners from Cebu Leyte area.
For the MLBE area, we also have 5 lucky winners. We have Hingoog, Torrevelias, Zaira Christine.
From Hinguog, again, Sir Roldan Daitia.
From Lalag, Atamoza Jonathan.
Again, from Hinguog, Sir Oscar Tabamo.
And from Butuan, Ayuban Charlo. And lastly, for the winner of refrigerator, we have Condesa Jonaline.
Okay, congratulations for the winners. No, gipakyaw yun sa Hinguog branch.
To our winners, please take note of the following prize claiming guidelines.
To claim your prizes, please proceed to your nearest Alano and Sons branches within 60 days from the release of the official list on our official Facebook page.
So once again, no, congratulations to all our winners. Ug sa mga wala pa pod na daog, so na pa mo'y chance nga mo habol para sa ato ang grand raffle draw.
No. Don't forget our guidelines and mechanics, no? Kay, again, makaabilang kag 100,000 gross pataas, one entry. So the more you avail, the more chance of winning.
Or you may refer a friend and have another one raffle entry. So the more ang refer, the more ang mga entries.
Okay. Again, maraming salamat po to everyone who participated. Share our live, like, no? As well as to our organizers, partners, and witnesses.
This formally concludes our third raffle draw program. So thank you and see you on the final grand raffle draw on April 18, 2026. Stay tuned to our official Facebook page for the posting and instructions, and see you and gandang araw.
Gandang araw!